Let's see what the gold has done yesterday and what we can expect today, and also to learn how to make the analysis. The yesterday candle was indecision candle. We can see that here with the wick larger on the upper side than it is on the lower side. So we can see that it is indecision between the buyers and the sellers. The price could not make its way out from this range area, which is between 3022 and also below 3011. We can see that on the daily time frame, but we will see much more clearly visible on the 1 hour time frame. Now we can see the price was trying to move higher, and we can see the price did not manage to reach the higher the price level that was reached 2 days before that in these two candles. We can see that here, but the price was going down and did not make any try to make a bearish breakout below 3011.59. We can see that. So this means there was no selling pressure here enough to push the price down, but there was more buying pressure. And we can see the current candle, which is also day candle, is bullish and it's attempting to move higher. Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see. Yesterday I mentioned that it's very important to see the price will manage to go above 3026.21 or below 3001.81. And we can see that yesterday the price could not manage to make its very clear out, where the price was trying to move higher, but the price was going down and then trying again to make a bullish breakout. We can see that here, the several attempts the price was trying to make, but it was not very successful. Then we can see the price did not manage to go all the way to the first support level. We can see that the price was stopping here around 3016 price level. We will see that on the 1 hour time frame, and then eventually we can see for several times the price was touching that support level, and then eventually we can see currently is trying to make a bullish breakout, which will probably be formed. And on the 1 hour time frame we can see that price is currently forming this bullish breakout. I have shared this bullish breakout inside the premium analysis with the traders, so we can see where the target will be around 3037. Yesterday we can see how the day has started. We can see the morning started bouncing between these two price levels, 3016 and 3026 price level. There was a bullish breakout formed here, touching the first resistance level above this area of resistance, which was very important, above this indecision range area. We can see that indecision range area is between 3026 and 3016 support level. Bouncing and then returning back down, again bouncing back down, and then we can see several times the price has touched the support level here. For several hours the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout. Yesterday this was an attempt as a bearish breakout. I have informed the traders inside the premium analysis, but we can see it was a false one because the price's target has formed a strong bullish candle going above, reaching the next resistance, and it was attempted to make a bullish breakout above 3026.21 and stay above. But we can see immediately after the price has formed this bullish breakout, it was invalidated with this bearish candle, which is a bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline in value, and this is something that has happened. We can see the price has reached this area of support. After that the price has come very close to this support level, but it is bouncing back up and formed again a bullish breakout, where the price did not manage to reach the higher price levels, which is the next resistance. We can see that the price is stopping here with this indecision candle, and then we can see the price again forming a strong bearish candle going all the way to the first support level. We can see it's very 3016 is very important support level, which has held the price from falling down, which means the buyers was waiting here and preventing the price from falling down, and then the price tried again forming this bullish breakout. We can see that here. That was several hours ago, where the price is targeting the next resistance level. The price is reached, and eventually we can see formed a strong bullish candle reaching 3032.60 2 hours ago. And 1 hour ago the price formed this bullish breakout, which is indication of the further rise in value. So I am expecting that the price will reach this area 3037.25. This is the target I have mentioned with the traders inside the premium analysis, but also probably will try to reach 3038.89. So we can see how the price has behaved yesterday, and we can see how the failed breakout happens, and also what is expected after the failed breakout forms. It is moving in the opposite direction. Also, there is very important thing to remember. If you are putting your take profit levels at the resistance level, always have in mind that there is a broker spread that is eventually be very important thing when you are calculating your take profit. For example, if you put your take profit right here, 3031.76, it can happen that this trade do not close with a profit, but it instead goes in the negative because the spread your broker has given you, especially overnight, when the spread widens up, it can happen that this trading opportunity is missing. So stay safe, and I also try to put my take profit below the area, the target level, just in case if I have the spread, so the price is reached, and also activating take profit. This is the same case right here. Probably the price will try to reach this area 3038.89, at least here at a supply zone, but I would like to get out from the trade before that, just in case if there is any kind of a spread that will eventually prevent the price from reaching the take profit and activating that profit. So it is better to get out from the trade before than it is staying in the trade. The price comes to your price level, but the spread is preventing the price from closing the trade and then goes against you and close with a loss. I had so many trades doing that, so it is the best to be on the safe side and take the less profit, but take the profit instead of taking the loss. Now let's continue what we can expect today. For now, this is the target 3038.89 on the 4-hour time frame. This will be a bullish breakout. We can see that the target in the next resistance, which is a daily 3038.89, which is a very important thing. So what will happen around this area of resistance? Usually happens that the price retraces back down from this area of resistance and supply zone. The daily, we can see that it is a very important. It will be also a confluence of resistance. We can see that because we have a trend line and we have a horizontal line acting as a resistance. So it will be very hard for the price, and we have seen in the last 3 days the price have problems making a bullish breakout, because we can see these 3 weeks could not manage to reach 3038.89. It has come very close to this supply zone. Especially this is visible on the 1-hour time frame, where we can see that the first time, second time, the third time, the price has reached 3032.60 but could not reach 3038, which is a very important thing. Now we can see this was a confluence of resistance on the 1-hour time frame because of this trend line. This was confluence of resistance, and we can see here on the 1-hour time frame there is enough space for the price to go even further before reaching the confluence of resistance. So the target 3045.97 is the target for the daily. Because we can see in the past, when the price has formed this bullish breakout here, the price has reached very close to this area of supply zone around 3045.97. So this is the target in this time. Also, that I'm expecting that the price, if the price managed to make a bullish breakout above this one here. But as it looks right now, it is highly probable that the price could reach this area of resistance, and if it makes breakout to the upside, it will try to reach this area and then bounce back down again if it repeats the same scenario as before. So this is how the price will behave today. This is what I'm expecting. Will it do like that? I don't know, but I will follow the market, like in this case when the price forms a bullish breakout or bearish breakout, and I follow the market and then take the profit before it reaches the final goal, just in case, because of the spread. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below, and also if you have your idea where the price could reach today, what is the resistance, what is the support where the price could reach or bounce or retrace, feel free to share that and join the premium analysis. Inside there are traders that are receive these updates, breakouts during the day for 8 symbol totally. You can see them here. So if you would like to receive them also, feel free to check the link below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.